Greetings, it's George. It is Saturday, August 16th, about 10 after 5, and I am on the Delaware and Lehigh Trail today with my bike. My GoPro is attached to my handlebars. So we're about, I don't know, maybe about a mile out from downtown Easton, heading east. And just going to shoot a video on the way back, which should be like in the, I don't know, 9, 10, 11 minute range. And the payoff is going to be a very scenic ending at the forks of the Delaware, where so I'm going to be riding along the Lehigh River and to the end till it converges with the Delaware River. So let's get going. Okay. So this trail, I should say, Delaware and Lehigh Trail, it's 165 miles long. The southern end of it is in Levittown, Pennsylvania, and the northern end of it, right now, is up above Route 80 in Pennsylvania. It's eventually going to end in Wilkes-Barre area, although they're still completing like the last 10-15 miles of the trail up there. Don't know if I'll ever see that. I don't know, but right now you can still ride pretty far. The portion of the trail between Easton and Levittown, PA, that runs along the Delaware is not paved. It's a gravel path. So, frankly, that is not really suitable for shooting video on your bike, because there's too much noise pedaling, going over the gravel. This is a lot smoother, and this portion of the trail, you can go from Easton to Allentown, and it's all paved. So you may be able to see that bridge up ahead on the left. So that bridge connects the south side of Easton to the rest of Easton. But this portion of the trail is great for running, hiking, biking. As a matter of fact, I saw a guy just a short time ago riding down this trail on his scooter, which would be pretty fun. Definitely can't do that on the towpath that goes along the Delaware. Some bumps here where these white lines are, because those are roots. You can feel them right underneath the trail. take it slow here, just in case somebody's coming the other way. Oh no, duckies. Or I should say geese. All right. Here's the end of the road, at least this portion of the trail. That's it. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.